저는 이제 아침을 다 먹어서 내일 투어를 한번 예약하러 가고 있습니다. Start from Meljula and finally get to Fez.
Fast, yeah.
Yeah, from tomorrow.
Yeah,
Can I-
tomorrow.
yeah.
Tomorrow morning. It will be tomorrow at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
And yeah, I will make the reservation for you.
Yeah, and I want to know the options here. Like, do you offer any clothes or some things? No.
No. Yeah, you can get those from the souk.
Yeah.
Jalaba, and you can also find the scarf.
Mhm.
It should cost 40 dirham for the
40
scarf.
Scarf.
Yeah, and the jalaba should be around 150 dirham.
Okay. Tomorrow 7 o'clock.
Yeah,
you can-
tomorrow at
I can
7,
go.
the transport will come pick you up from here. You have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. 아, 젤라바는 대여를 안 해주네. 제가 어제 저녁에 외국인 친구를 만났거든요. 오늘 그 친구랑 같이 또 맛집을 탐방하려고 합니다.
Hello from Marrakesh,
This is Matt and he's from America.
the United States, from California. It's beautiful here.
It says it takes 27 minutes.
Oh, you want me to navigate?
No, I can handle it. But
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah.
27 minutes. It's a good
Right.
walk.
완전 혼돈의 카오스예요. 일단 방금 인사한 친구는 매트고요. 캘리포니아에서 왔다는데 진짜 키가 193이라고 하는데 뻥입니다. 그거 거의 2m는 돼요. 제가 봤을 때 줄인 거예요. 어제 밤에도 얘기 많이 나눠봤는데 막 이것저것 알려주려고 하는데 진짜 착한 형 같습니다. 어제 또 카사블랑카에서 마라케시 오는 길에 제가 영상은 못 찍었는데 어떤 모로코 여성분을 만났거든요. 추천해준 식당으로 가려고 하는데 여기서 한 25분 걸린다고 하네요. Yeah, why they have so many cats? Do you know?
Probably like many places, there's just no control. They don't neuter space, so stray animals just have a lot more, produce a lot more.
Yesterday I saw a dog too.
Yeah, I've seen a few dogs. More cats, really.
Yeah, more cats. I started working from there yesterday. Walked from here and to the Medina.
It's a long walk.
Yeah, in my baggage.
Did you know it would be such a long walk when you started?
I noticed, but I wanted to see the whole city.
It's funny to me that you started only like half a block from where we end up today.
메디나 밖은 진짜 뭐랄까 유럽이 많이 섞여 있는 것 같아요. 고풍스럽다 해야 될까? 아무튼 드디어 왔네요. 매트가 있으면 진짜 편하다. 그냥 다 해주네.
You want it downstairs or upstairs?
We can go upstairs. We wanna order this one, Tangia Blue. Yeah. What is it?
This is Tangier. Beef.
Beef.
Yeah.
What about this one?
This lamb.
Lamb.
Yeah.
The lamb sounds really good. So just one rice
Yeah.
and
One vegetable.
lamb.
Yeah. You want Tangier lamb?
이게 탄지아라는 건데 양고기로 시켰거든요. 뭔가 소갈비찜 같죠? 양갈비찜이라 해야 되나? 양고기가 완전 부드럽고 약간 양갈비찜 느낌이었는데 진짜 만약에 한국이었으면은 떡도 들어가고 했으면 진짜 좋았지 않았을까. 거의 제 1박 숙소 값이긴 한데 나 그 정도의 가치는 있었습니다. 여기가 전통 옷을 파는 것 같기도 하는데 요거 뭔가 있어 보이긴 하네요. Salam alaikum. Do you sell this one? How much is it? Yeah, okay. Wow. Do you have another color? No. How much? How much?
5.
How about together and 150?
Do 100.
200?
Push. Push.
I think it is too expensive. I'm a student. I have 200 and... Okay.
¿Sabes?
One more.
¿Sabes?
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
It's a good look for you.
Yeah, great. 제가 180 디르함 주고 샀는데 뭔가 잘 괜찮게 산 것 같은데요? 제가 좀 흥정을 해봤는데 처음에 원래 이 옷만 해도 200디르함 불렀는데 모자까지 해서 180에 샀거든요. 이 정도면 꽤 괜찮은 흥정 아니었나 생각합니다. 현지인 같고 좋네요. 아, 약간 모자 색깔이 마음에 안 들긴 하는데 한국을 사랑합니다. 지금 매트랑 저녁 먹으러 나왔는데 괜찮아 보이는 곳 있으면 들어가려고 하거든요. 매트가 여기 고인물이라 그냥 알아서 길 다 찾아줍니다. 진짜 듬직하죠? 매트랑 다니니까 누가 막 니하오 거리지도 않고 이래서 동행을 잘 구해야 돼. I'm not saying you're typical, but can I guess your MBTI?
My what?
Your MBTI. It is like personalized characteristic
Oh,
of
yeah.
your. Yeah, but
Yeah, you probably know it.
I think you're like INFJ.
So close, yeah, so close. And I think if I took the test again, maybe sometimes I score as INFJ. This is INTJ.
Wow.
Yes.
I'm so close.
You're good, yeah. Yeah, you know the test so well.
Yeah, I'm kind of. I major in. By the way, they say that I can easily get along with the type of you guys. So.
You guys. Yeah, I like it.
So-
What is it? Because I don't remember. I wouldn't be good enough to guess. I don't remember
Okay.
all
I am ENFP.
the ENFP.
Yeah.
Okay, I think some famous people are like Morgan.
자꾸 이상한 데로 데려가는데 길이 자꾸 어두워지는데 네트 없었으면은 시도도 못 해봤을 것 같아요. 이런 데서 괴한을 만난다? 여긴가 보네. Yeah, hey.
Yeah, you have the menu for it?
Yes.
I see, sir. Hi.
Yeah, I mean, I think maybe we continue on, right?
Yeah.
Keep looking.
Okay.
I think 57 is the one that's interesting. They're all similar, right?
Thank you, my friend. Welcome. Finally, you find me. Welcome. You was looking for me.
Where does the fish come from?
Sawira. Because
I heard
Sawira
it's
is
so good there.
Sawira is close here for Marrakesh. I have a big menu, small.
Yeah, why not? Please.
Come on, first.
We get one normal fish and how many skewers is it? Like skewers. Okay. Moroccan salad is with the couscous, right? Couscous. Yeah, let's do that.
No barbecue.
I wanna try this normal and
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it then.
okay.
Yeah. The normal, can we do a normal skewers?
Normal skewers. Vegetables.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
이게 약간 반찬으로 나온 거고 그리고 우리가 시킨 건데 주문한 게 다 나왔습니다. 그냥 진짜 오징어 튀김인데 약간 떡볶이 소스 묻힌 것 같죠. 이건 누가 봐도 닭꼬치죠. 와, 그냥 진짜 닭꼬치인데? 뜨거.
Chicken.
One chicken.
Yeah,
and
one mixed fish.
fish.
Thank you very much.
Let's try.
Is it free? 공짜라고 하네요. 와, 그냥 딸바주스인데?
Come picture, come picture. Z.
Okay.
Where you from?
I'm from Korea.
Korea. MashaAllah. It's very nice Korea.
Yeah, great.
You're welcome to Korea and best Marrakesh. Try.
Yeah, great.
This is orange with strawberry, mango, pineapple, pomegranate. It's good.
Great. 딸기랑 여러 가지 과일들 섞인 것 같은데 맛있는데 제가 좀 알러지가 있어가지고 살짝 간지럽네요. I'm sorry, sir, but what is it called?
Ginger tea.
야,
It has all these things in it.
감기에 좋겠지 뭐. 이거 어르신들 먹는 느낌인데. 맵다 매워. Hey, cheers.
What do you say for cheers? For
아, 건배.
Bombay.
건배.
Gombe.
Yeah, can you 건배?
Gombe.
Yeah, 건배.
Okay. Thank you, merci.
What is 뭐야 이거 딱 봐도 재밌어 보여. Hey, I want to try this.
1 million.
Oh, it's so expensive.
I'm joking. Let's go then.
Okay.
제발 제발. 들어가자.
아. 말도 안 돼. 이게 어떻게? Is it ever possible?
Yes. Yes, I got it.
냄새가 진짜 좋아요. You like this one too?
I like this. I think this is maybe the sandalwood. But they all smell good.
녹차설빙 아니야 이거? 여기 약간 강황가루 같고 이건 모르겠네. 고춧가루? 파프리카랑. 맞네. Can I smell it?
Yeah. Here.
Okay.
It's different.
새콤달콤한 냄새랄까? 약간 광물 같기도 하고 약간 퍼먹고 싶게 생겼어. 와. It's like my body wash.
Yeah. I think maybe they put it in a bath or something.
냄새가 다 좋긴 한데 확 끌리는 게 어떤 건지 잘
Is there one
모르겠다.
up front? Use this for like a deodorant.
Like deodorant, and also we can put in our clothes, like what you say.
Okay.
How much is it?
10 dirham.
10 dirham. Can I give you 100
Maybe
dirham?
change
Yeah.
it if you have change.
Let me
No,
see
I
if I,
don't
have
have
smaller.
change.
If you
Maybe
have,
I have
please.
a smaller one. I owe you anyway for whatever. Hey, I have a 20. Yeah,
Okay,
you have
that's
a 10?
better.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
I can give you a zero or something.
No, it's okay. I owe you for something. I don't
No,
remember.
no.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother.
So is a gift for me?
Yes.
Yeah, wow.
It's a gift for
Goodbye
you.
gift.
I hope you enjoy it.
Wow. You're so kind and